Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with both safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Hyundai Palisade Limited in Hyper White with HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot collision avoidance assistance, rear window wiper and washer, heated and ventilated front seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 9,000 miles on the odometer, 10-inch touchscreen, navigation, power liftgate, 3.8-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 905868.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.